Hi, I'm Jennifer Nelson from Mid-American Gardener. Welcome to a special Mag Short. Here in the studio with me is Ryan Anderson, and we're going to talk about the Champaign County Grows Green Weekend. So thanks for joining us, Ryan. Can you tell us a little bit about the Champaign County Grows Green Weekend? What's it all about?
Yeah, absolutely. So Champaign County Grows Green Weekend is 3 days packed with 3 different natural lawn care and compost top dressing demonstrations.
Oh, cool.
So we're going to kick things off on Thursday, October 17th at the Urbana City Building, and we're going to have a live demonstration of compost top dressing. And then we're going to end things on Saturday, October 19th at the Urbana Market at the Square, where I'm going to answer people's questions about how they can manage their lawns with no synthetic pesticides or fertilizers.
Oh, interesting. So you brought some little demonstrations to show us here exactly what you're doing and why are you focused on compost top dressing for the weekend? What's important about it?
Yeah, so compost just offers a lot of benefits to our soil in terms of flood control, toxics reduction, and everything like that. And I like to say, the best time for spring lawn care or garden care is fall lawn care. And you really want to condition your soil in the fall. And so compost is a really good opportunity. So this is kind of a makeshift little demonstration that we got here, but this is a bare soil garden that we have. And what's really good, and I'm going to be careful not to spill, is you want to spread about probably about a ½ inch, between a ½ inch to 3 inches if it's a garden. You want to kind of spread it around, a little bit plunky. And you want to incorporate it with a spoon, with a, with a shovel.
Not with your kitchen spoon.
With the shovel about 4 inches deep into the soil is what we want to do. So that's for our gardens, really good for the fall right now. And then if we have our lawns, let's pretend that there's grass over here. Obviously, we can't incorporate it with a shovel.
Right.
But there's something that's called a core aerator.
Sure.
So you want to kind of just run that over with a core aerator. It takes out these holes. Goes about 3 to 6 inches deep.
It leaves the little plug on the top.
Yeah. And leaves a plug on the top, and you're talking about reducing that soil compaction. And for grass, it's about a 1/4 inch of compost top dressing that you want for your lawn or soil.
So you were telling me before we started that there are some entities around the area here in Champaign County that are going to actually be using this on municipal land. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so we have 2. We have the City of Urbana and the Urbana Park District. So Thursday, October 17th, we're actually going to be at the Urbana City Building.
Oh, wow.
And that day, they're going to apply about an 1/8 inch of compost top dressing on the south lawn of the Urbana City Building. And then this fall, the Urbana Park District is going to follow suit with about a 1/8 inch of compost top dressing at the Canada Park ball field.
Oh, wow.
And then next year, they're going to apply this product twice in that year, and then they're going to follow our Midwest Grows Green natural lawn care approach.
Oh, wow. So what have the communities had to do to transition into this natural lawn care? What kinds of costs and such are associated with it?
Yeah, so we always talk about building this dense, deeply rooted turf grass system. So the focus is on the cultural practices of overseeding, core aerating, fertilizing properly with compost, and watering properly. So, if we're talking about the cost might go up in the first couple years. But if you're looking in the long term, you are recognizing some cost benefits because we're focused on data points, right? One of our first data points that we have for natural lawn care is that soil test. That will tell us how much nutrients to put into our lawn or garden. In the first couple of years, it might say, oh, you might need a little bit more organic fertilizers or anything like that. But in the future, you're building this biologically diverse soil as well as this not compacted soil, so that's cycling air, water, and nutrients better.
Which event are you most excited for in the Champaign County Grows Green?
Probably the live demonstration, because a lot of work was going into finding this compost top dresser and coming up with this management plan, and we actually get to reveal it to the community of what we're actually going to be doing at that Urbana.
Yeah, that's really unique that you're able to do it on a municipal level and shows homeowners it can be done. So
yeah.
Thanks so much for being here with us, and this has been another Mag Short, and tune in to Mid-American Gardener Thursday nights at 7.